Hello. Up till now, we have studied the small geometry effects. Now, let us see the other design parameter, that is MOSFET capacitance. Okay. Now, as we initially in the first lecture, we've already defined that MOS actually work as a capacitor. MOSFET is a capacitive structure in which the gate oxide is between metal or polysilicon gate and semiconductor assembly. जो हम लोगों ने इनिशियली देखा था तब वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने कैपेसिटेंस निकाला भी था, दैट वाज सी ऑक्स विच वाज एप्सिलॉन ऑक्स बाय टी ऑक्स. इसके अलावा भी देयर आर मैनी मोर पैरासिटिक कैपेसिटेंस फॉर विच वी हैव टू कंसिडर द टॉप एंड बॉटम व्यू ऑफ द मॉसफेट. टॉप एंड बॉटम व्यू देखते हैं मॉसफेट का कैसा होता है. तो कुछ टॉप व्यू इस तरह से है. वी हैव इफेक्टिव सोर्स लेंथ ऑफ एल एस एंड इफेक्टिव ड्रेन लेंथ एल डी, and the gate length is LD. There is a small overlapping of source over gate and drain over gate, which is about XD. ये normally lithographic process में थोड़ा सा overlapping हो जाती है, मतलब एकदम precise नहीं होते. ठीक है. Then the effective channel length is capital L in the right hand side figure. You can see the width of the MOSFET is W. And the height of the drain and source is Xj. Okay, and the oxide thickness is Tox. Okay, this is the top and bottom view of the MOSFET. Let us see different capacitance. There are different parasitic capacitance due to the structure of the MOSFET are normally classified as oxide related capacitances and junction capacitances. या तो मतलब कि ऑक्साइड की वजह से हैं या जो आपके जंक्शंस फॉर्म हो रहे हैं उनकी वजह से कैपेसिटेंसेस हैं. तो लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी ऑक्साइड रिलेटेड कैपेसिटेंस. ये कैपेसिटेंस दिस कैपेसिटेंस ड्यू टू गेट ऑक्साइड स्ट्रक्चर. नॉर्मली जो गेट के नीचे ऑक्साइड लेयर क्रिएट होती है उसके स्ट्रक्चर की वजह से है. एंड देयरफॉर इट इज आल्सो नोन एज गेट कैपेसिटेंस. And they have three components on basis of three terminals. One is gate to source capacitance, another one is gate to drain capacitance, that is given by CGD, gate to source capacitance, that was CGS, and lastly the gate to bulk capacitance, that is CGP. Okay, इसके अलावा दो ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस भी होते हैं जो हम लोगों ने देखा कि देयर इज एन ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ गेट ऑन सोर्स एंड गेट ऑन ड्रेन. दे आर आल्सो उसकी वजह से भी कैपेसिटेंस क्रिएट होते हैं एंड दे आर नोन एज ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस. ओके, गेट. ओके, द सेम थिंग इज बीन स्टेटेड ओवर हियर दैट गेट हैज सम ओवरलैप ओवर ड्रेन एंड सोर्स एंड ड्यू टू द फैब्रिकेशन सिस्टम मास अलाइनमेंट टॉलरेंस. ठीक है, मास की अलाइनमेंट की वजह से कुछ टॉलरेंस होती है. देयरफॉर देयर इज एन ओवरलैप ऑफ गेट ओवर ड्रेन एंड सोर्स, जो कि हम लोगों ने XD से डिनोट किया था फिगर में. ठीक है, ड्यू टू दैट देयर इज अ राइज ऑफ टू कैपेसिटेंस, दैट इज गेट सोर्स ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस, दैट इज नोन एज CGSO, एंड अ गेट ड्रेन ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस, दैट इज नोन एज CGDO. Both of them have the same value because of the same dimension of overlapping, that is XD. So both can be simply written as Cox into width of the MOSFET into XD. Cox has already been defined as epsilon ox by T ox. That is the permittivity of oxide layer upon the thickness of the oxide layer. This is the what we say that overlap capacitance is defined. Okay, these are the different what are Cox, epsilon ox, Tox, width, XD. Okay, these overlap capacitance are fixed for the transmitter for given transistor dimension and are independent of the terminal voltage. Basically, this is created due to the manufacturing parameters as due to the overlapping, which is independent of the terminal voltage. Therefore, these capacitors are fixed for a certain transistor. Okay. Now let us move forward. When the MOSFET is in the cutoff region, and there is in that case there is no channel in between the drain and source. So therefore there is no gate to source or gate to drain capacitance is almost zero. There is the only capacitance that is working at this moment, or you can say in the cutoff region, is gate to bulk capacitance, which is given as CGB, which is C oxide capacitance oxide into width into length of the channel where the channel is to be created. Okay, so this is the gate to bulk capacitance which occurs when the MOSFET is in the cutoff region. Now, when we move toward the linear region, when there is a formation of oxide, when the channel is formed, when the channel is formed and now the oxide is being shielded with the bulk, जो bulk है और oxide के बीच में channel create हो गया, therefore जो capacitance gate और bulk के बीच में था वो अब zero हो गया. अब वो entire capacitance is divided between the gate to drain and gate to source. वो जो capacitance जितना आपका gate to bulk का था, due to the creation of the depletion layer and or the inversion layer, now the bulk is being separated from the oxide. Okay, and therefore gate to bulk capacitance becomes zero. Now this जो हम लोगों ने कट ऑफ रीजन में अपने कैपेसिटेंस कैलकुलेट किया था, दैट इज टोटली डिवाइडेड between the gate to drain and gate to source capacitance. Now, when the MOSFET is moved toward the saturation region, in that case, gate to drain capacitance also becomes zero, because in that case we have a pinch off at the drain end, and there is the only capacitance which is working, that is gate to bulk, because gate to there is only capacitance which is working, that is gate to drain capacitance, and gate to bulk is already zero. As in the previous case, we have seen that in the linear region the gate to bulk capacitance was zero, which exists here also. Now due to the pinch off, gate to drain is also zero. Now the entire capacitance is due to gate to source, which is given, which is calculated, which is come out to be 2 by 3 W into L into C ox. Okay. Now if you summarize the entire capacitance due to oxides, then you can see the cutoff when we talk about CGB, gate to bulk. So only in the cutoff region we have the value, that is C oxide into W into L. When we talk about gate to source, its value is only in the linear as well as in the saturation region, 1 by 2, which we have already calculated, 1 by 2 W into L into C ox in the linear, and 2 by 3 into W into L into C ox in the saturation. It's 2 by 3, not 23. Okay, now it is roundly printed. And now CGB, gate to D, CGD, that is gate to drain, it is again 0 in the cutoff region, and it will be in the linear, it will be half and W into L into C ox, and it will be 0 in the saturation. Now CG overlap, for the overlap case we have also calculated, which has the same value in all the three regions, whether it is in cutoff, whether it is in linear, whether it is in saturation. It will become out to be C ox into W into X D. Now if you come for a total CGS, gate to source total, then for cutoff it will be simply C ox into W into XD, which is only due to overlap, because the previous previous was C ox into W into L, that is gate to bulk. Here we are calculating CGS, therefore simply it will be only due to overlap. Similarly, you can sum up all the oxide related capacitances. Now, Let us see what are junction capacitances. Junction capacitances are also known as diffusion capacitance because the MOSFET consists of two PN junctions. One is between drain to bulk and another was between source to bulk, which can be seen in this figure. I have denoted two diodes over there between source and bulk and drain and bulk. ठीक है, तो ये आपके दो पी एन जंक्शन डायोड्स हैं, ठीक है, विच इज़ इक्विवेलेंट फॉर मॉसफेट और विच हैज अ डिप्लीशन लेयर कैपेसिटेंस, ठीक है, द डिप्लीशन लेयर कैपेसिटेंस होता है विच इज़ अगेन डिवाइडेड टू टू पार्ट्स. वन इज ड्यू टू साइड वॉल्स की वजह से कैपेसिटेंसेज होंगे और ड्यू टू बॉटम वॉल्स की वजह से कैपेसिटेंस, जो कि फिगर में आपको क्लियर दिख रहे हैं. साइड वॉल्स में भी आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं, दे आर बोथ द साइड ऑफ द सोर्स वी हैव कैपेसिटेंस. Even at the end of the side wall, at the back there is a capacitance. Okay, similarly at the bottom wall we have the capacitances. So again this depletion capacitance is due to both side walls and bottom walls. Let us calculate this. How we calculate it? The vertical junction form capacitance with bottom plates of the source and the drain region, which is given by the vertical junction जो फॉर्म हो रहा है वो बॉटम प्लेट ऑफ सोर्स और ड्रेन दोनों से हो रहा है. तो वो हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं सिंपली सी जे इंटू डब्ल्यू इंटू एल एस. दिस इज फॉर द सोर्स वेयर सी जे इज द वर्टिकल जंक्शन कैपेसिटेंस पर यूनिट एरिया. ठीक है, ये दिस वैल्यू इंटू द विड्थ ऑफ द मॉसफेट इंटू द लेंथ ऑफ द सोर्स. सिमिलरली फॉर द ड्रेन इट विल बी सी जे इंटू डब्ल्यू इंटू एल डी. नाउ द लेटरल जंक्शन निकालना हो तो उसमें आप लोग साइड वॉल कंसिडर करेंगे. नाउ इफ यू आर कंसिडरिंग साइड वॉल, वहाँ पर सी जे एस टर्म आया था, दैट इज अ साइड वॉल जंक्शन कैपेसिटेंस पर यूनिट लेंथ विच इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक्स जे विच इज द हाइट ऑफ द ड्रेन और सोर्स. ओके, व्हेन यू आर कंसिडर फॉर सोर्स इट विल बी सी जे एस इंटू एक्स जे इंटू द विड्थ ऑफ द MOSFET इंटू ट्वाइस ऑफ एल एस, बिकॉज this capacitance is the length is on the both the side walls are on the both the side, therefore you are taking twice. And similarly for the drain you will be considering CJX XJ into W plus twice of LD. Okay, this was the lateral junctions and previous was the vertical junctions. And finally the total capacitance will be the summation of both the vertical as well as the horizontal junction capacitance, which can be given as C as junction, which is nothing but C as diffusion, which can be written as C vertical CJB into the area of the MOSFET, and C side wall CJSW into the parameter, which is finally come to be CJB into W into LS plus CJSW into twice into LS plus W. ओके, तो आपने सिंपली वर्टिकल जंक्शन और लेटरल जंक्शंस को एड अप कर दिया. दिस वाज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर सोर्स एंड. सिमिलरली आप ड्रेन एंड के लिए ड्राइव कर सकते हैं बाय सिंपली रिप्लेसिंग एल एस बाय एल डी. ओके, नाउ इफ यू make a representation of MOSFET capacitance, तो 4 टर्मिनल MOSFET मॉडल जो वो कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा. You can find capacitance between gate and drain, that is CGD, between gate and source, that is CGS, between the gate and bulk, that is CGB, between source and bulk, which is CSB, and between the drain and bulk is CDB as shown in the figure. CGS simply क्या होगा, जो ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस है प्लस जो CGS है जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया दोनों का समीशन, प्लस CGD सिंपली द ओवरलैप कैपेसिटेंस प्लस CGD जो नॉर्मल CGD हमने कैलकुलेट किया. CGB CS डिफ्यूजन हम लोग कैलकुलेट, CSB is nothing but source to bulk is nothing but the diffusion capacitance which we have calculated. And similarly for the drain to bulk is nothing but the capacitance at the drain and due to diffusion. Similarly, this is the equivalent MOSFET capacitance which is shown on the 4-terminal MOSFET model. So these were all the capacitances which were in the MOSFET. And next time we will be doing the different models, simulation models of MOSFET. Till then, have a nice day, and please share and subscribe. For any theory, go to visit the For Above Said website. Have a nice day.